Welcome to this training video. It will demonstrate how to acquire the frequency response function in free run mode, like on a shaker table. Let us assume that the amplifier and channel configuration as well as the scaling settings have already been made. Right-click the canvas and select FRF to start a new FRF app. Click the gear button to open the setup panel. Click the vertical button to open the channel selection. Hold the control key and select at least 2 channels. We will need one excitation channel and at least one response channel. Close the channel selector to get back the setup panel. Among all pre-selected channels, now select the channel for the excitation signal. The other channels will automatically be treated as response channels. Here you can select the FFT window of your choice. Start the measurement with the Start button or F4. We immediately get plots for the transfer function. By default, the magnitude, phase and coherence are displayed for all response channels. The block size is one of the essential settings. It defines the size of the time domain blocks that are converted into the transfer function. A bigger block size will result in a higher frequency resolution. On this page you can configure the averaging parameter. Averaging is useful to get more accurate results. To restart averaging, click the reset button. Changing some key settings can also cause the averaging to restart.